Have you ever felt like you are speaking but not being heard? Imagine if every time you walked into a room, women took notice instead of looking through you. There could be many reasons a woman ignores you, which can be hard to determine. Most dudes think it is all about looks or money. But what if I told you there is more to it? With the right strategies, you can shift this dynamic. By the end of this video, you will learn powerful tips to make women stop ignoring you so that you capture attention and interest every time. Number 10. Smile at her. This tip may sound a bit weird to you, but stick with me. You gotta flash that smile at her. Think about it. When someone smiles at you, it is like a rush of those feel-good vibes, right? It is a universal sign of friendliness and warmth. So here's the deal. Ask yourself, who would you rather spend time with? Someone who is all gloom and doom, barely cracking a smile? Nah, she doesn't want that either. Or someone who is all, hey, how is it going? With a big grin on their face? Yep, that is the ticket. A smile is your secret weapon to show you are the kind of guy who is fun, lighthearted, and yes, optimistic. Remember, a good laugh and a sunny disposition are magnetic. And when you smile at her, she will feel that pull too. So light up your face with a smile and watch how it lights up her world as well. Number 9. Stand tall and proud. If you want to stop her from ignoring you, make sure you grab her attention and keep it. And to do it, you have got to master confident body language. This isn't just about reading her signals. It is about sending out your own, loud and clear. And honestly, it works like a charm. If you wonder why? Well, because confidence is contagious. It is about walking into a room and owning it, standing tall, making eye contact, and moving with purpose. People around you, especially women, don't just feel that you are confident, but they see it in your body language. And when you exude that kind of self-assurance, it is like a beacon. It tells her, hey, there is something about this guy. Think about how you feel around someone who is genuinely comfortable in their own skin. You are drawn to it, right? That is the power of confident body language. It makes you look good and feel good and make her take notice. Number 8, step up your style game. If you are aiming to grab her attention and keep her eyes on you because she likes the vibe you are giving off, the trick is simple. Dress sharp and as good as possible. Now, you don't have to drop loads of cash on high-end brands. Choose outfits that fit you like a glove, match your style, and complement your body shape. When you nail your outfit, you naturally boost your confidence. And guess what? Confidence is magnetic. It paints you as a strong, self-assured man. A guy who looks like he couldn't care less about his appearance is easy to overlook. But a man who takes pride in his looks is someone who is hard to ignore. He shows he values himself, and that's outright attractive. So what should you wear? Try well-fitted jeans and a crisp shirt that highlights your best features, and shoes that tie the whole look together. It is all about that polished look that says, I have got my act together. Number 7, keep her guessing. Have you ever watched a movie where you could predict every move? Boring, right? You lose interest and switch it off. Life is pretty similar. Women are drawn to what they can't predict. It adds a layer of excitement. Being unpredictable means you are full of surprises, and she can't quite pin down what you will say or do next. If you are always agreeing or always saying no, you become predictable. And to be honest, that is dull. Being unpredictable keeps her on her toes. It makes you intriguing, someone she wants to figure out. For example, one day you are up for an adventure, and the next you are all about a chill day at home. This unpredictability makes you someone she can't just ignore because you are constantly surprising her and showing her new sides of who you are. Number 6, be the mature man she can't overlook. It is draining when you are stuck with someone who acts like they are still in high school, right? That is exactly how women feel about immature guys. They are looking for a rock, someone solid, dependable, and mature. Immaturity is a fast track to being ignored, unless she is on the same page, but let's be honest, that is a disaster waiting to happen. Showing her your mature side helps you stand out. It is about being seen as the strong, capable man she wants and needs. Nail this, and she won't just notice you, she will be attracted to you in no time. Number 5, keep the fire burning. Once you have sparked that attraction, your job isn't done. You have got to fan those flames. A lot of guys think women are just messing with them when things fizzle out. But the truth is, if she is stepping back, it is likely because something is off. Maybe she is not feeling it, Or maybe she is worried it is not going anywhere. Keeping that attraction growing is crucial. You got to make her see that being with you isn't just good, it is awesome. That is what makes someone irresistible. And no, you don't have to be perfect to make her stop ignoring you. Just show her the amazing life you can share, and she will be all yours. Number 4, pay attention to her. Don't ignore her if you don't want to be ignored. Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets tricky. Women show interest in subtle, feminine ways. If she is giving you those signals and you are not picking up on them, she is going to feel rejected, and rejection hurts. Understanding how she shows interest is key. It is not always about grand gestures. It is in the small, subtle signs. When you start recognizing and responding to those, you are showing her she is valued. And when she feels valued, she is more likely to keep showing you attention and not ignore you. It is a two-way street. Show her she has got your attention, and she will make sure you have hers. Number 3, keep your cool with feelings. Always play it cool when it comes to sharing your feelings. Don't rush to pour out your heart. It is like showing your cards too early in the game. If she is into you and lets you know, keep it smooth. Respond with something like, I am feeling a good vibe here too. This tip is about taking it slow. Before things get serious between you two, don't rush to share all your feelings. But when you are both committed, then you can open up more. This is good because it keeps things interesting and makes her want to know more about you. This way, you are not just an open book she can figure out right away. Number 2, have sexual self-respect. Sexual self-respect is huge. It is about knowing your worth and not just jumping into bed with anyone. This stance makes you more appealing because it shows you value yourself and your standards. When you turn down advances because they don't meet your criteria, it leaves a mark. It tells her you are not just another guy looking for a quick fling, but someone who respects himself and his choices. Women tend to notice and respect men who have this kind of self-respect. It sets you apart from those who are willing to settle for any attention they can get. Number 1, show interest the right way. Showing interest without coming off as desperate or creepy. There is a fine line here. It is all about the balance of masculine and feminine energy. When you do this, it works like magic. Masculine energy attracts feminine energy and creates a dynamic that is hard to resist. It is not about being overbearing, but about pursuing her in a way that is confident and respectful. This kind of pursuit is what many women dream about. It makes you stand out and makes her feel special and desired in the right way. Get this right, and she won't be able to ignore you. Instead, she will be drawn to you and intrigued by the respectful yet assertive way you express your interest. Conclusion. Remember, it is all about respect, confidence, and the right kind of attention. From dressing sharp to keeping your cool when expressing feelings, each tip is a step towards being the man she will stop ignoring. So take these tips, put them into action, and watch as you go from being ignored to being noticed. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.